What's going on with the world, loyalists, and welcome back to the world of crypto with your host, Talos. Now today is another crazy blood day, and bunch of reds, double digits. Obviously I'm kind of driving right now. I'm actually just taking a lunch break from my work, so I'm kind of like a more unprofessional, like just kind of a vlog to kind of let you know what's going on in the world of crypto, and it's not good. It's not good at all. Not just that, but also stocks is also not doing very well either. If you look at those, it's just bleeding red. And but is it a good time to buy? Yes, no. The reason why I say yes is because obviously you get a bunch of stocks as well as crypto at a much better price. No, because it could go down even further. You never know in the world of crypto and stocks and everything like that. So play with caution for sure. I for sure, like, my strategy in terms of all this is to kind of wait a little bit. And let me turn down a little bit because AC might be too loud, but I'm gonna wait a little bit, see how the market is for tomorrow. If it goes down again tomorrow, then I might buy, maybe. But I'm kind of waiting for like some kind of recovery phase. Right now there hasn't been any signs of recovery, and to me that's kind of a bad time to buy in that respect. So if you're a little more cautious, I would kind of wait to see how the market goes the pretty much the rest of this week, and see how it goes. If there's any signs of recovery, even if it does go up and you see a couple of 3 days in a row where it's green, then it's still going to be a good buy, because you're still getting at a massive discount than what it was. But play with caution. Either wait a few days, wait 2 days, wait tomorrow, and see how the market is before you go ahead and jump in and buy. But if you're a risk taker, then buy today, and maybe not buy all of it. Maybe buy half of your income today, maybe the other half tomorrow, and go from there. So play around with different strategies, what works for you, what you're comfortable with. Obviously I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't really tell you what to do. I'm just kind of letting you know what I would do in that situation. Now another thing, another big news is for those who are invested in Davor. They're also not doing very well. They were hit, I think it was a few days ago, they were hit with another cease and desist from Texas, similar to BitConnect, which is another bad sign in terms of lending platform. But for those who are invested in lending platforms and know about the risk, you know that lending platforms it's not sustainable. So eventually it will crash and burn. So hopefully you don't get burnt in that process. Like, if you're already invested in it, like if you started late into the game, let's say you started right after BitConnect fell, then you only had maybe a month of income coming in from it. And obviously the interest rates in the Davor it's not that great right now. It's much less than it used to be. It used to be like 1.6%, sometimes as high as 2%. Now it's showing up, like, the highest I've seen so far is like 0.56%, but on average it's showing about like 0.09, 0.01, 0.1, for example. Very low interest rate. So it's not really showing any good signs of the number one interest rate lending platform that I advertise. So that's kind of a bad thing for me, because I am also invested in Davor. I'm gonna say Davor, because some people say Davor for some reason, but Davor. So I'm gonna go and, like, every day pulling out everything that I have invested, like I'll from my lending wallet straight to my Davor coins, and convert that to BTC, and then withdraw that BTC into my BTC wallet, Jax, and so that way it doesn't stay in the platform. Because you never know, they might shut down withdrawals, they might shut down exchanges, they might you might not be able to sell any of your Davor coins. So be very cautious when it comes to Davor coins and the network lending platforms in general, and pull out everything out of the exchange, out of their website, and into a wallet that you trust, because you never know that they might put a limit on withdrawals, like, oh, you can only withdraw 0.05% or 0.05 BTC. They might block it in general. You can't withdraw any BTCs. You can't withdraw. You can't sell your Dogecoins. So you never know how they're gonna play it. So is it the end of Dogecoins in general? Right now it's there. It's like right now from what I saw it's like 56 cents a coin. 56 cents, maybe 55 cents a coin, and it could even go lower than that. So I would definitely play it safe. Pull out everything you have every single day, because you never know that tomorrow you might log into the website and can't do anything. It's gone. So be safe about it. Obviously, if you're not, if you're very scared or not risk taker at all, definitely don't hit that. The link down below for the referral link, because you could lose all your money. But obviously I'm not gonna tell you what to do, what not to do. So just play cautious to what you want to do. If you have a high faith in Devore, then it can last another couple of months. Then definitely hit that link down below. But I won't recommend it. One suggestion. But play it safe. It's your money. You take care of your money. You do you. And that's what's happening with the whole crypto world right now. It's just panic sell after panic sell every single day, red every day. It's crazy. It's crazy out there. But for those that I guess what you can do in a situation like this is, like I talked about before in the previous episode, go into free Bitcoin, mine some Bitcoins with Hashflare. Yeah, I'm not sure what part cut off, but basically, when it comes to Bitcoins, today's the best time to really get into Bitcoins, because of how low it is. It could go lower, yes, but you're still getting it at a massive discount. They say it might even go as low as 5,000. Yeah, that's what the rumor has it. So if you want to wait till it reaches 5,000 or set it like a limit buy at 5,000, go ahead and do that. That's a smart bet. But other alternatives to get more like a passive income is going to that free Bitcoin website. Every hour you get free Bitcoins, as high as $200 every hour, as low as maybe 2 cents, 3 cents, whatever. But it's free Bitcoins, whatever. And you can multiply it with multiply BTC, and that can, that's what I've been doing basically. And I actually transferred some money over from my free Bitcoin website into Hashflare, so that way I can get more passive income from there, and I increase my my terahashes. So always diversify. Don't put all eggs in one basket. Diversify and play it smart with your money. But this is pretty much my rant for today. Hope you guys find it enjoyable. I know it's not showing up anything too crazy with the whole charts and stuff like that like I normally do, but I just had to get a video real quick out this lunch break and let you know what's going on in the world of investment. And right now, just play smart. Buy if you want, wait until there's some sign of recovery, then buy, or do a limit buy and see maybe there's a obviously if you don't know what limit buy is, I'll go into more detail with that in the future, but you can always research that on your own. But basically just be smart out there, guys, and love you guys. Stay awesome. I'll see you next video. Until next time, stay awesome. Bye. Cheers.